Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Hawaiian Airlines credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the URL box at the top, type in Hawaiian Airlines credit card login and press enter on your keyboard. From the search results displayed on the next page, click on this first link that says the Hawaiian Airlines World Elite MasterCard. Once you click on the link, you'll be taken to this website where you can see the Barclays logo. Your Hawaiian Airlines credit card is issued by Barclays, so click on this login link at the top right hand corner of this page. And in the credit card sign-in text boxes, go ahead and enter your credentials. Start off by entering your username associated with your credit card account and head over to the next field and type in your password. If you'd like the system to remember your username, click on this Remember Username box. Leave it unchecked if you are using a public or a shared device. If you don't remember your credential for your credit card account, click on this Forgot Username or the Password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for it. If you've not registered for online access, then click on the Setup Online Access link beneath and follow the on-screen prompts in order to register yourself first. Once you type in your credential, click the Login button and you'll be able to get access to your Hawaiian Airlines credit card account. You can simply go ahead and manage your credit card whenever you want and from wherever you are. That's how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.